Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my secret admirer Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the stacked shell stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4. I have already made 152 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 4 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make 4 double crochet into that chain. We're now going to start our sequence for this row. Skip 3 chains into the next one, make 5 double crochet. Skip 3 chains, make 5 double crochet into the next chain. Skip 3 chains, make 5 double crochet into the next chain. So this is how our sequence is looking. You would now repeat this sequence, skipping 3 chains and making 5 double crochet into the next chain for the rest of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. For row 2, we're going to be making shell stitches on top of the shell stitches that we made in row 1. So we're going to immediately start our sequence. You're going to skip to the middle double crochet of any previous 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be this stitch right here, and you're going to make 5 double crochet into that stitch. Same thing, skip to the middle double crochet of the next previous 5 double crochet and make 5 double crochet into that stitch. Skip to the middle double crochet of the next set of 5 double crochet into that stitch, make 5 double crochet. So you're now going to repeat this sequence of skipping to the middle double crochet of the next set of 5 double crochet and make 5 double crochet into that middle stitch until you reach the end of this row. Once you get to the end of your row and you run out of shell stitches to work into, you're going to have some chains over here. Work 1 double crochet into the top of those chains at the end of your row to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket turned out. I ended up making 70 rows total. I tend to stick around 55 inches by 60 inches for a throw size blanket. And that is going to be how to make my secret admirer Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.